Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you best Facebook marketplace alternatives. Let's begin. All right, number one is OfferUp. This is basically the most direct competitor to Marketplace. You can sell locally, chat with buyers, and even ship items across the US. It's clean, simple, and super popular. Next is Nextdoor. This one's a community-based app, mostly for neighborhood updates, but it has a buy-sell section that actually works really well. It feels a lot more local and a lot more personal. Third, we've got Mercari. Mercari is great if you want to reach more people, not just locals. You just take a photo, list the item, and they help you with shipping labels. It's perfect for things like clothes, tech, or collectibles. Coming in at number four, Vinted. It's similar to Depop, but also allows swapping and reselling without fees in some cases. Great for cleaning out your closet or flipping fashion items. Next up, Swappa. This one's for tech. If you've got an old phone, laptop, or gaming console, Swappa makes it easy to list and sell safely. It's all verified, and you don't deal with sketchy buyers. You don't need to rely on Facebook Marketplace anymore. These 7 platforms each have their own vibe, and depending on what you're selling, one of them might work even better for you. Try a few out and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.